Hi, my name is ZaKaiRan and welcome to my podcast, How to Get Your Money Working Hard for You rather than you working hard for your money, or how to become an investor without knowing anything about investing. Now, every day I am introducing people to a way to get their money working hard for them rather than them working hard for their money. I show them how to invest their money and earn anywhere from 4 to 8% on average, 5% every single week in passive income. And I show them a way to earn active referral income as well for those people who are more driven towards achieving freedom a lot quicker. And often I encounter people who say, "No, thank you, I've got my money in crypto." And for most people, I know what that means. That means they are hope and pray people. And they didn't, for a moment, understand what I showed them or what I'm introducing them to. Because crypto is certainly a worthwhile investment as long as you are an active participant and you are educated in what is going on in the world of crypto and you know what you're doing. And I want to say to them, that's great. So you've got money in crypto. Now what? How are you going to create an income from that? Because unless you cash in regularly some or all of your crypto when crypto is high, when it has, risen higher, and, because you're actively paying attention, it's written higher, and you know that when you got in it was lower, etc. And you bought, higher than what it cost you to buy, but, it's now at higher than what you cost to buy in. Well, unless you do some selling, well, you have not generated any income. You haven't generated any profit. To realistically make an active income that you can use, you have to have a lot of money invested in crypto or stocks, etc., and you have to, at some time, sell, preferably higher than the price you paid for it. Just buying cryptocurrencies doesn't do anything for you unless crypto rises and you can sell some or all of it in profit. Just having crypto or stocks doesn't miraculously make you an income. The only way to make an income with crypto is just like stocks. You've got to buy low and sell high. Or you got to know other trickier methods to make money regardless of what the stock market's doing, such as buying options and so forth. But that's a lot more advanced trading. And the time to have gotten, into crypto was 10 years ago when it was rock bottom. But it still is it's still worthwhile to get into crypto now, especially now that it's getting full recognition and credibility, and then there's lots of new tokens coming out that, of course, you can get involved into. Again, you got to wait till it gets higher and then sell. And you can still profit, in general, in cryptocurrencies, as there's a fair chance that, in general, cryptocurrency will continue to go up. But as we've seen, in the current trend, cryptocurrency has been going down, 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 down. So, in general, cryptocurrency will only go up, just like the stock market, when people are buying. If people start selling, the price goes down. So you got to be a long-term investor and just let it ride and hope crypto keeps going up. Or you got to be a much more active trader and play the game, investing in new tokens, waiting for them to rise, etc., etc. But again, unless at some point you sell, no matter how much crypto you've got, no matter how many tokens you've got, you don't have any cash to spend. You haven't really made any money. But if you'd like to have a more active weekly income in the world of investing, then you need to be a much more active daily, weekly, or monthly trader where you're buying and selling on a regular basis. But unless you have the time and the money and the inclination and the education and the wisdom to become an educated and experienced and wise trader, then just buying crypto and hoping crypto continues to rise isn't going to necessarily make you rich, just like buying in the stock market and hoping that it continues to rise isn't going to make you rich either. And certainly not in the short term. Crypto investing is all about time. You've got to wait for it to rise and then sell some or all of your crypto. But if you sell too soon, you might lose out on the bigger rises. The key ingredient is time. You got to keep putting money in, not take money out. So it's a long-term investment. So getting a weekly or monthly income is quite tricky unless you really know what you're doing and have tried and true strategies. And there's always the risk factor of potentially losing money, but only if prices drop and you need to sell because you need money to live on. So as you can see, if you want a steady passive income, I would look elsewhere in the investing world. And I know a way that you can make a solid passive income every week and every month with a very small investment even, without having to worry about the highs and lows of the cryptocurrency market or the stock market. In fact, you can make amazing money in the world of investing without knowing anything about investing and without having to do anything physically yourself. I mean, you're not a professional investor anyway. Because there are people that are ready to help you to legitimately make a solid income in the investing world right now. And with that in mind, what if you had a team of professional traders working for you absolutely free of charge? What if you could put some money in, not even a whole ton of money, but just a little bit of money, and a team of accredited professional traders would grow your money for you and give you 5% on average in profit every single week on your money? You'd want to know how, right? And what if you could just keep compounding that money, You make some money, and you put it back in. You make some money, and you put that back in. And then after, a few years, you've developed a serious portfolio that's providing money, passive income, a serious income every single year for you and your family. If that was possible, and I can tell you it is because that's what I do, you'd want to know how, right? Well, just go to ilovefreedom.info. That's ilovefreedom.info, and I'll show you a very short video on how to get your money working hard for you rather than you working hard for your money, and help you get your life on the road to freedom, help you create a life of freedom and fun. That's ilovefreedom.info. I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to showing you a way to achieve a financial freedom lifestyle for you and your family. My name is ZaKaiRan, and I help success-minded people create the happy, abundant lifestyle you love. Please share this video with your friends. Bless some of these amazing teachings. Come visit me at ZaKaiRan.com for more goodies. Go visit my YouTube channel. Visit me on Facebook. Thanks again for watching this video, listening to this podcast, and I wish you immense abundance, and riches, and wealth, and fun, and excitement on your magnificent journey of divine creation. And remember, too, make life a holiday. Woo-hoo!